Did you know that emotionally intelligent women are more likely to become emotional pack mules for everyone around them? You automatically absorb your partner's bad mood, your friend's work drama becomes your mental load, your family's problems become your responsibility to fix, and somehow you're drowning in feelings that aren't even yours. You go to bed carrying everyone else's stress. You wake up with anxiety you can't explain. You're exhausted from managing emotions that were never meant to be yours. Then comes that moment when you realize you can't tell which feelings actually belong to you anymore. You've been so busy being everyone's emotional dumping ground that you've lost yourself completely. But here's what no one tells you. Caring about people doesn't mean carrying their baggage. Having empathy doesn't mean absorbing their chaos. Being supportive doesn't mean sacrificing your peace. Compassion without boundaries isn't love, it's self-destruction. You can care deeply without drowning in their emotions. If you're tired of being everyone's emotional pack mule, you're not alone.